I have these two big boxes. I'm gonna go for this one. Just by the look of it, this is an Xbox Series X, 100%. Yes, it is. That's a lot of wrapping, but there it is. What's wrong with it? Oh boy, it's been messed with. And the HDMI is back. Got the power plugged in. Let's try to turn it on. All right, it powers on. That's a good sign. All right, let's take it apart. All right, we got the sandwich out. Right now we're down to the two motherboards. So that's the first motherboard. And the second one here still has the heatsink on it. Really horrendous design on this shell. All right, here we have it. This is the main board, and we need to replace that HDMI port. Let's do it. All right, perfect. We removed this, looking really fresh here. Here we have the brand new OEM port. All right, here it is under the microscope. We just attached it. All we gotta do now is the legs. That's the legs from the other side. Here are the legs, nice and puddly from the other side. Perfect. All right, I got the first board on. All right, we got the second board on here. All right, finally, here it is back together. We connected it. Let's... Power's on, awesome still. This looks like it's a good test. Even though the tester says everything is okay, nothing is showing up on the screen. Gotta take this apart one more time. So we tested every pin here with a tweezer, and they're all good. Every single one of them here is absolutely perfect. So there must be something wrong with this motherboard, but we will touch it up one more time and see. I did a manual sweep across all of these. Let's go test. Okay, I'm gonna just test it just like this. Let's turn it on. It does turn on. And yes, confirmed 100% this is a motherboard issue. Let's remove this motherboard and see if we can fix it. I don't have any parts though. I think I found a donor chip for this one on a donor board here. So let's go grab it and replace this chip and test. So remove the chip over here. And we just replaced it over here. Let's go test. All right, here I have it. Let's test. Okay. The tester says okay. But no, still nothing on the screen. Our final attempt here is going to be to remove this ESD chip and replace it. All right, we removed that microscopic chip over here. And we replaced it. Okay. Let's go freaking test because I'm tired of this system. All right, let's test one more time. At this point, I have it just like this, and it's still no go. 5 months later, I was able to get my hands on the actual chips here, brand new. Okay, got this chip out. Let's prep it. Okay, the chip is prepped. Okay, we have the chip on here. Let's go test it. Let's go. The power is on still. The tester. The tester says good. And I think we got it here. 720p, yes! Nice!